Hello everybody, and special hello to Bambuhai, Sashi-san, An-san, Genki desu ka? Sashi-san handed these hamburger buns from Jollibee and challenged me to come up with creative sandwich. So today I am presenting you kakuni buns and deep fried curry buns. First of all, you may think kakuni buns are not special at all since I'm simply making a sandwich putting braised pork inside the buns, which is left over from our last night's dinner. But I just wanted to showcase my mom's delicious cooking. Besides, without her help, I could only do so much. After warming up the buns, I shredded the braised pork and put additional sliced eggs as the topping. Look how nice it looks! I can't wait to take my first bite on my pork buns. Itadakimasu! It's so delicious. Deep fried curry buns are one of the all-time favorite items sold in Japanese bakeries. Here's how I make my curry buns. I'm flattening the buns using my rolling pin. Put curry stew and coat the beaten eggs around the bun, so that I can cover it up with another flattened bun. Make sure to seal the edge of the buns. Now all you have to do is to batter and fry the buns. I like the curry rice that I ate in Cafe Zipangu, so I thought Kuya Sashi can use my idea and recipe and start serving my curry buns. Let's fry the buns so that you can see them turn into beautiful golden brown curry buns. Here you have it. Bon appetit! I'll bring these delicious curry pan to Cafe Zipangu as my pasalubong. Enjoy the free taste. Itadakimasu! It looks really delicious. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Oishi!
Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button down below.